beat. Guardians move, get on your feet. We're the watchers, we're the crew, keeping cyberspace safe and new. No bad vibes, no attacks, we just keep the world on track.
We've now been creating this fabric for our existing products for many, many years, because it really shouldn't be the customer's responsibility to stitch together these solutions. What if I could come to a vendor like One Identity that did that work for me?
600 million cyber attacks a day. When I dig into that 600 million, 350 million of those are identity-based attacks, 99% of which are password sprays.
What do we do? Lock it down.
There's a reason why we tell people not to reuse passwords, not to reuse simple passwords, not to share passwords. This is why.
Will the password ever die?
Yes, I say yes. Hopefully.
A yes from me.
Raise your hands, the time is right. Guardians unite, we own the night. What do we do?
Why did we choose One Identity? Because it provided the best automations and it was really good with the connectors and what we had in place, and it was also ready for the future.
You're not 100% protected because you have an identity-based tool. The idea, though, is to layer 2 or 3 pieces of cheese, those holes go away. So that is where the concept of this has come along. This whole thing about an identity fabric.
Raise your hands, the time is right. Guardians unite, we own the night.
This is my first time to be Unite.
Yeah, it is my first time.
The 5th time.
I'm liking very much the presentation, very informative.
It's really amazing to see a lot of sponsors are here who are helping customers with implementation. I'm going to take it and explain everything to my team.
Straight every year.